Ano daw kadalasan gusto ng mga babae sa isang lalaki?
Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
If you're wondering, then I'm wondering with you. I filmed that September of 2014. I was 14 years old then, and I'm 25 years old now. Even though nag-viral siya before, I think it's more significant to me now kasi I have something to look back at and remind myself of who I used to be, kung paano ako mag-isip compared to who I am now, and paano rin nag-change yung pag-iisip ko right now. After all the lessons learned and the bridges burned within those 11 years, I think it's safe to say that I know better ngayon. But let's put it to the test. Watch this and debunk. I'll try to debunk yung iba kasi, okay, give credit to the 14-year-old me, okay? Matalino naman siya, medyo tanga lang siya sa pag-ibig. We'll see if meron bang changes or may character development ako kasi ang hirap naman siguro kung 11 years have passed tapos same pa rin akong tao, diba? Parang awa na lang kumbaga. If you're watching this video, the number one rule is the views and opinions of past me cannot be used against present me. Okay? Kung ano man sinabi ko doon, hindi nyo pwede ibalik sa akin yun ngayon kasi I'm a changed person. Okay, yun lang. Let's start. I'll be watching it on my phone. Dito ko na rin ipapakita sa inyo para hindi naman tayo mahirapan, diba? Para naman mag-sync naman yung sinasabi ko sa lumalabas dito.
Ano daw kadalasan gusto ng mga babae sa isang lalaki? Yung lalaking sweet. Usually kasi, yun yung rason kung ba't ni-love yung babae. Kasi, syempre, yun, kadalasan nga, parang usually, nakadalasan pa. Angas, diba?
Hinawa yung sarili niya,
Dapat,
which is
alam mo
very
yung
me.
mga salitang dapat mong bitawan, yung mga salitang my heart skip a beat siya. Yung mga linyong mapapagyayabang niya sa mga friends niya.
First of all, I did not need to do that last part, okay? Hindi ko alam kung ba't ko ginawa yun. Patawarin nyo na lang, okay? Bata pa siya eh. Anyway, that's right naman na yung lalaking sweet, it's still a number one trait naman na hahanapin mo sa isang lalaki. Although, based on observation and experience, if the girl doesn't like you, kahit gaano ka pa ka-sweet, it's not gonna work. It's kinda useless. But, life is short. Like, shoot your shot. Do it. Gawin mo. Kasi papatayin ka ng what ifs. Akala mo na... Okay, next.
Sa effort. Kasi, hindi naman dapat lagi material things. Dapat, yung mga sinasabi mo, sinasabay mo ng gawa.
Actions speak louder than
Mas
words.
nafe-feel kasi dun ng girl na special siya.
Tama. Actions speak louder than words pa rin talaga up until now. Dapat sinasabay mo yung sinasabi mo sa ginagawa mo kasi words are pointless. Like, pang screenshot ko lang yan, okay? Pero kapag hindi mo ginagawa yan, madedepress ako.
Nabaliwala ang mga babae.
Real.
Ano yun? Umamin ka na ikaw may gusto sa kanya pero siya naghahabol? Ay, bastos. Siyempre, kuya, common sense na lang. Umamin ka, ikaw nang mag-effort. Kakaloka. Lalaki.
Hindi ko kaya yung mga side comments ko
Ka kasi. Baka nakakalimutan mo. Pag random na...
Okay, tawa ako sa side comments ko. Like, hindi ko alam. I did not need to do that, okay? I did not need to add that. Anyway, pero totoo yun. Like, ginusto mo siya una eh. So, bakit ngayon parang siya na yung naghahabol sa'yo? Consistency is key. Kung anong sinimulan mo, pagpatuloy mo with the same consistency, and everything will work out. If you feel like off na siya in the long run, you just have to say it. Kasi while consistency is key, communication is key as well. It's an important factor. So,
Pag ramdam mo na gusto ka na ng girl, medyo maging possessive ka na. Siyempre, pag wag kang manhit. Ganun. Siyempre, kasi alam mo sa sarili mo na ayaw mo siyang may kausap na iba, na may kahawakan. Unless kung pinipekay mo siya. Kung fake lang yung feelings mo. Yung
okay. Possessive, sobrang extreme nun. If ramdam mo na gusto ka ng girl, you do not need to be possessive, okay? If there's something that's making you uncomfortable sa mga actions niya or, you know, just tell her. Again, communication is key. Sabihin mo lang, you don't need to, wag kang lalapit dyan, kang gumalaw, wag kang huminga. Hindi, okay? That's not it. Hindi cute ang pagiging possessive. Unless you're Christian girl. Ate ko, please. Ayan na siya, kumakatok. Kumakatok. If nararamdaman nyo ng gusto ka ng girl, just same consistency lang. Yun ang baguhin pa kasi the reason why you feel like nagugustuhan ka na niya is because of what you're doing already. So just improve.
Clingy. Kasi usually, mas doon namin nararamdaman na kami lang yung mahal nyo. Yeah! Taray! Kasi pag clingy, parang nag-iisa lang siya sa puso. Nax! Yung siloso. Yung gitnang ganun.
Oh my god. Guys, I think I'm gonna die of cringe. Bakit ko naman ginawa yun? Okay, I did not need to do that again. Okay, hindi ko kailangan gawin yun. Hindi ko alam kung bakit ko ginawa yun. Pero, clingy is somewhat debatable. Kasi, other people don't find clingy as cute. And I understand that. Pero for me kasi, up until now, I really like clingy people. Especially if you're the guy that I like. Gusto ko rin ng clingy kahit papano. Although, I like the thrill, but yung pagiging clingy helps assure me na you still like me and that may paki ka sa akin and all that. Being clingy is parang a little less version of obsessive. So, mas healthy siya, I guess. Pero, lagi lang sa lugar, okay, yung pagka-clingy. Hindi naman tama, siguro kung sobrang clingy na. Like, leave some room for the thrill. If hindi clingy yung lalaki or yung babae, tapos hindi na fake yung feelings niya, okay? Again, some people naman hindi ganon. So, we have to understand our differences as well.
Yung siloso. Yung kitnang gano'n, yung kitang gano'n. Seryoso, ang kita talaga nung gano'n. Kasi kahit yung bakla mong best friend, pinagsaselosa niya. So parang, Tsaka,
Guys, did I just say cute yung lalaking nagsiselos sa gay friend mo? Did I just say that? Sa 1.6 million viewers, sorry. So sorry. I did not mean that. Hindi cute yun. Okay lang yung maging seloso ka. Lagay mo lang sa lugar kasi kung wala sa lugar, parang hindi naman cute yun. Okay, lagay lang sa lugar palagi. And like, hello, remind nyo rin yung mga sarili nyo sa karapatan. Okay? Also, never ever magiging cute yung lalaking nagsiselos sa gay friend mo or gay friends mo, okay? Hindi. Please, pag-aralan nyo yung LGBTQ community so that you'd have a deeper understanding. If hindi ka naman binibigyan ng rason para magselos, bakit ka naman magsiselos, diba? Again, ilagay sa lugar yung selos, okay? Sinasabihan ko yung sarili ko right now. Okay.
so parang, Tsaka,
Kilig na kilig siya.
yung lalaking concern, sobrang cute kaya ng ganun.
Totoo.
Parang doon namin nararamdaman na may
Ate, may pakodigo siya. May binabasa siya.
Nakaka-appreciate pa pala sa sa presence namin.
Yeah.
Parang may nakaka-appreciate pa na nandito kami sa mundo.
Yes.
Ganun.
Totoo.
Yung kung magalit, parang tatay mo. Pero kasi nagigalit lang siya kasi mahal ka niya talaga. Eee! Tara, aral muna. Tara.
Okay, yeah. Aral mo na. 14 years old. Aral ka muna. Please. Parang hindi magandang trait na yung anger issues ng father mo, i-bring mo sa relationship mo. Like, okay, me personally, of course, may anger issues naman lahat ng tao. But, I wouldn't want my man to have the same anger issues as my dad. Kasi, my dad has anger issues kasi he's a father. It's coming from somewhere as a father. And if my man has the same anger issues as him, eh hindi naman siya dad, and he's not a father, why would I want that? That's not so slay of you. So don't do that, okay? Please, if may problema, if may frustration, if may kinaiinis ang bagay, just talk it out peacefully and calmly kasi walang masosolve ang galit, okay? violence is not the answer to everything.
Mga lalaking may sense of humor.
Yes.
Ang ano kasi ng ganun, parang mas nakaka-turn on pag ganun.
100%.
Yung lagi kami napapatawa, yung kahit simpleng joke lang, natatawa na agad kami. Yung bawat pagtawa nila, mas lalo nahuhulog yung loob namin sa kanila. Yung mga lalaking may...
Bakit kailangan ko pa idagdag yun? Hindi naman kailangan sabihin yun, ate ko. Si Bading, oh, talagang ganap na ganap. Totoo yun. Up until now, iba talaga yung effect ng lalaking may sense of humor. Although from experience and from observations, minsan kahit sobrang funny mo, kapag hindi ka gusto ng girl, hindi ka talaga gusto ng girl. Like, you're just the funny guy to her. Meron talagang mga lalaki na sobrang effortless, like, effortlessly funny na parang... So, yun. But again, shoot your shot. Malay mo, magkakaiba naman tayong personalities. And magkaiba naman tayong gusto. So, shoot your shot. Just do it.
Yung mga lalaking may good character. Siyempre, sino ba naman amin?
Bare minimum. I did not need to say that because bare minimum. Okay?
May ayaw ng ganun. Hindi naman yung laging perfect tsaka walang kasalanan. Basta maging mabait ka lang sa kanya, sa magulang niya, tsaka sa magulang mo. Siyempre,
Parang nakaka-proud na sinabi kong pati sa magulang mo. Kasi real, like, sobrang bait mo sa lahat tapos sa mga magulang mo, hindi. Unless, from an abusive family, have all the right to be mad at your parents and be mean to them. But if not, hello, nakaka-proud naman ako. Prioritize ko din yung magulang ng guy. Grabe naman talaga.
yung mga lalaking alam kung paano irespeto ang mga babae. Pag-aya,
Again, bare minimum. Okay?
respeto ang mga babae. Pag-ayaw, huwag pilitin. Kasi may mga babae pa rin na inaalagaan yung, alam mo na,
Oh
pero
my
kasi
God! Wait lang guys, nakaka-proud ako. Like, totoo yun. Kasi may mga babae talagang inaalagaan yun. And dapat nare-respeto niyo yun. Boundaries. Boundaries always. Okay? Please respect. Kung ayaw, wag pilitin.
pumapasok yung salitang respeto. At
Yes.
yun yung mga lalaking hindi kayang saktan yung mga babae sa physical aspect. Yung hindi nila kayang pagbahatan ng kamay.
Bare minimum. Ate ko, physical abuse. Si Bading talaga. Physical abuse yun. Kaya, bare pa sa bare minimum.
Pero okay lang nang murahin mo siya. Pero parang yung naglalaro.
Okay, let her finish. Let her explain.
Laro lang kayo. Murahin mo siya. Murahin ka din niya. Ganon, tapos magtatawanan na kayo. Yung hindi lang sarili nila yung...
Bakit biglang sinabi? Siguro okay lang na murahin mo siya. Bakit naman biglang sinabi yun? Okay, first of all, it's not good magmura. Especially if nasa nag-aaway kayo or something. Oh my God. Yung background music ko. It's not good magmura, guys. Okay? Huwag niyo i-normalize yun. Especially if galit kayo, it's not a good trait. Mas nakaka-toxic lang yun and miniworsen nyo lang yung situation. She said naman, if playful mura, depende na sa inyo if you like that.
Ganon, tapos magtatawanan na kayo. Yung hindi lang sarili nila yung iniisip nila. Yung mga lalaking understanding. Kadalasan kasi ang mga babae paliw. May topak, may saltik, ganon. Kailangan namin ng lalaking iintindihin kami. Hindi yung ganon na nga kami. Sasabayin niya pa kami. Lang, gaya-gaya. Yung mga...
Hindi ko talaga kinakaya every time may side comments ako. But anyway, wag po natin i-normalize yung having topics or pagiging baliw or pagiging saltik sa relationship. Yung mga may toyo-toyo, wag po natin i-normalize yun, okay? I understand that may days talaga na hormonal tayo, pero as much as possible, guys, please wag nyo naman i-normalize yun kasi it's so annoying. Like, out of nowhere, really? Bigla lang ganun. Like, magpalambing tayo in different ways, but not like that, okay? We don't have to fight para lang lambingin. But, totoo yun, sa days na hormonal talaga kami, sana naman wag nyo kaming sabayan. Kasi, it's like fighting fire with fire. It's not gonna solve anything. Just lower down your pride and your ego and lambingin nyo na lang kami, okay?
Yung mga lalaking God-fearing. Siguro, sa standards ng babae, yun yung unang-una. Kasi mga lalaking God-fearing, matatakot yan na gawan ka ng hindi magandang bagay. At kadalasan din, yun yung mga lalaking
Okay, first of all, before I forget my sentiments, yes, isa lalaking God-fearing, but debunked yung mga lalaking God-fearing is yung mga hindi ka kayang gawin ng mali or hindi ka kayang saktan. Kasi I know a lot of people that do bad things and then proceed to go to church on Sundays, repent, and then the next day, i-repeat yung cycle, and then go to church again on Sunday and repent like nothing happened. I think the main teaching of religions is to be a good person, okay?
faithful at loyal. Siguro nga,
Wait lang kasi sinabi ko na kadalasan daw sa mga lalaking God-fearing, yun yung mga faithful and loyal, which is debunked. That's not true as well. Iba talaga nagagawa kapag hindi natitinag yung konsensya. Does wonders. You can have a Bible verse on your Facebook or your Instagram bio and then still cheat. Outstanding.
siguro nga, marami pa tayong gusto sa isang lalaki. Pero yun yung ibang katangian yung gusto natin sa lalaki. Ayun, tara, aral muna. Joke lang. Yun lang guys, thank you!
I'm so glad that's over kasi just, hindi, I'm so happy that I watched that again. Kasi nakakita ako ng development sa sarili ko right now. So, kudos to me. And I still love my 14-year-old self. Sobrang proud ako sa kanya and sa mga na-achieve niya nung time niya yun. So that is it, guys. If you still remembered me, then I'm happy that I took you down nostalgia and memory lane. So yun, bye! Till next time!